Good day everybody, my name is Paul Akulisi. So I will be starting another videos. This set of video I'll be doing, I will create a separate playlist for them on our YouTube channel. I will name the playlist Solar Kits. I'll be discussing different types of solar kits, their advantage and disadvantage. So the one I'm talking about today is Salpha powerflo. This, can you see the video now? That's their website. It's not a paid advert. I'm just doing a personal review of the whole system. Let me open it. It has a USB to your iPhone, or what we normally call BlackBerry charger, but USB charger. It have this to Samsung, to the old Nokia type, and to the V3. It comes with it comes with 3 balls. It comes with a charger. Let me tell you the ratings of the charger. But most of these solar devices, one needs to be careful about the rating of the charger. For example, this charger is 6 volts, 6 volts to 2 amps, 6 volts. Meaning that if this device has a problem, one must look out for 6 volts, 2 amps. If this charger has a problem, you should not try to use 12 volts, 2 amps to charge it. Come out. As come with. Wow. Comes with a nice. This is the power block. It's nice. Yeah. It comes with also a solar panel. The solar panel is 10-watt panel. Wow, that's nice. 6 volts as well. The VMP is 6 volts. IMP is 1.6 volts. The voltage open circuit is 7.2 volts. The ISC is 1.8 volts. The dimension is already written there. The maximum system voltage is 300 volts. And the wattage per meter square. This is the carton. This is the front part of the carton. So it has the Bluetooth. So let me check the length of the cable. The length of the cable is around 5 meters.
Sorry.
So it has, one now need to be careful now, because it has both the input and the output are almost the same thing. So let me plug it. So the moment you plug it to the input, the charging light will come on. This same inputs, you can also plug your 12 volts, or sorry, your 5 volts 2 amps charger. Can you see? So let me plug it here. I want to confirm maybe it can work with the normal CCTV. Wow, it can work with it. So one can also use normal CCTV. So let me plug it now. It's working. It's charging. Let me put it on. So let's test the light. Although I've tested the lightning point some time ago, I discovered that it can work for several hours. I don't want to. Let me test the lightning. Wow. It also has a switch for on, off and on. Let me remove one of the lightning. At least with this setup, it's good for an average student, especially in the student where there's no electricity. But from what I can see here, I will advise the manufacturer against next model that the manufacturer, they should put like a mini gauge here where it can show me or the user the percentage of the battery that is left. So the 3. Let me put on the 3. Yeah, the light is still bright enough, but the distance are shorter. So probably one we need a DC cable. Let me bring a DC cable. 2 pairs of cable to run it. I'll take the output light. That's the brightness. Still bright, and it has a touch. That's the touch. But you can't use both the touch and this together. That's the brightness. When you get that, probably maybe they should do the design in such a way. Let me now talk about the advantages of that. It has 3 lighting points. The light is still bright, maybe around 3 or 5 or 3 watts. Still bright. It has a USB here where you can charge your phone. Test it. I love the on and off button. I love the number of bulbs that come with it. This 3 is still okay for an average student. Let me say it's self-contained. One will be for your main room, one for your kitchen, and one for your conveniences, meaning your bedroom and your toilet. Then it has like standard battery pack here, where you can put 18650 types of battery to charge it. That's 6 volt battery. That's also good, so you don't need to move it when there is fault on it. Let's now move to the next one. That's it. Can play. Despite the fact that the device is off now, the radio is still working. That's okay. It has a Bluetooth. I connect to Bluetooth.
FM mode.
I connect to FM.
Power firms annually, providing an update on the country's tariff review journey. The Commission stated that subsidy paid by the federal government between 2015
the maximum voltage
was 2.8 trillion naira.
okay, and the maximum volume is also okay.
Between January and
Let me
April
check.
this year.
Wow. This is the only issue I have with it. I can't independently pick the frequency of the FM that I want to watch. I need to auto scan every time. Still scanning. Let me see the maximum number of channels it can accommodate. According to what I've tested in the past, it can accommodate up to 20 channels. Then the USB here is meant to play music. So let me test the USB here. Maybe I can also use the USB here to charge. I was told by the seller that it's meant to play music. And it's no channel. It's not set up channel. So the USB here is just to play music. It has a memory card slot.
It's great to win, you know, but even if I could have lost,
still okay.
you know, I could be really proud.
So what are the disadvantages or area for improvements? Number one, the power input should be separated. I would advise that this power input should be on a separate plate so that I will not confuse myself by plugging it to music. Number two, I will advise that this charging point should have a calibration, maybe from 25, 50, 75, 100%, so I can know the rate at which the battery is charging and the rate at which the battery is discharging. So then the radio staying at one direction is partially okay, but if you can have the radio face, the speaker of the radio to face up, or multiple speakers on it, that one would be better. And another thing, doesn't have AM, it only have FM. There are some people still in our environment here, especially a certain tribe here in Nigeria, that they still listen to here. But it's still a very good device. So thank you very much. If you have other devices that you want us to make a review of, you can suggest it in our YouTube channel. Try to get it and make a review of it. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Ensure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, share it, and subscribe once again to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.